What does it take to make the perfect cup of coffee? Well, we're hoping to find this out this morning. And here to help is a marketing coordinator at Perkup Gourmet Coffee, Hedda Dunkley. Welcome to Smile, Hedda. How are you doing?
Thank you. Good morning, Garth. I'm doing well.
Good. You sound bright and perky.
Well, it goes with the brand.
Yeah, you've had your coffee already?
Not yet. I'm going to have it with you, actually.
All right, so let's get right down into it because Perkup Coffee is under the umbrella of the Blue Mountain Coffee Venture.
That's the name of the company, yes.
Great. Just share a little bit about the Blue Mountain Coffee Venture Limited while you get right down into doing your demo, because before we know it,
right.
You know, we're running out of time.
So I can walk and whistle?
Yes, man, please,
right.
Absolutely.
So Blue Mountain Coffee Venture Limited has been around since 1991. Actually, the farm, Flamstead Estate, was purchased in 1982 by my father-in-law, right. Ambassador Carlisle Dunkley at the time.
Right.
It's now run by his two boys, Stephen, who is our managing director,
right.
and Graham, who is my husband,
right.
does the finances. And we created Perkup,
right.
Jamaican gourmet coffee,
right.
in 2019. Pandemic hit, and then we paused, but guess what? We came back to market focused and ready to serve.
And here you are.
Yes.
Gourmet coffee. What's the difference between gourmet coffee and, regular coffee? Oh no, hold on. I am ready to dive into that bag.
So the truth is that we did an extensive market study. And what we realized is that we needed to differentiate ourselves from what I call the noise.
Right.
There are blends out there in the market, different aspects of Jamaican coffee, but this is 100% Jamaican. And I'm doing 6 scoops here for a 600 milliliter French press, which is the method we're doing this morning.
Right.
And so with that study, we decided, Jamaican gourmet coffee. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Smells good, drinks good, sounds good, looks good. Everything about it is good.
It's amazing. It smells really, really good.
Were you counting? You
think that's number 6?
5.
Okay. All right, great.
6?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what are you making for us this morning, by the way? And then let's talk quickly about the French press method.
This morning, there are different methods of brewing your coffee, but this morning we decided that we're going to teach the French press method.
Yeah.
And the reason for that is very simple. I've put in, let me just pause here, tell you what I'm doing. I have put in the grounds, I am putting the water equally to cover the grounds here.
Right.
This is 600 ml. And it will give you about 2 nice cups of coffee. Everything is covered here.
Right.
And you notice there's a strainer. Put it on top. I need a timer, actually. I need about 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Sure.
Yes. No, because we're on set. Normally at home, 4 to 5 minutes.
That's about all the time we have. So I'll be able to take a sip just before we were racing to the break.
There you go.
All right. So
this is brewing.
It is brewing.
Yes.
Now, it's a medium roast versus a dark roast.
Correct.
Why?
So that's you know your coffee, don't you? Stephen, who is our managing director, he's a coffee connoisseur.
Right.
And so we do have other blends, but they're exported. So like our Flamstead Estate is dark roast, that's an espresso, that's exported. We decided to come to market with something that would kind of,
in Jamaica, that is.
In Jamaica, something that would kind of attune to everybody's palate.
Right.
And so Perkup is a medium roast for that reason.
Yeah. The truth is, I don't think that Jamaica is really a dark roast type
exactly.
type of market.
I remember Jamaicans as well. We like milk, we like sugar.
Right. Yeah.
That
I want to add sweeteners.
How do you drink your coffee?
Black.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
Now.